guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an all-day wear test of the new BECCA Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. So if you're interested in that, knowing the details, a demo, and a full day wear test, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I saw this foundation and I wanted to test it out because 1, I love BECCA, 2, I love foundations and testing them out, and 3, I love this packaging. First up, the packaging really reminds me of the IT Cosmetics. This is the matte CC cream, but it's the same as the CC cream and the Bye Bye foundation. It comes in this squeezy tube and then it has a pump, which so does the IT Cosmetics. So I think that they are just super similar packages, which I love both of them. So it was no surprise that when the BECCA one came out that I really love this packaging as well. This does come with 1.23 ounces, which is more than the typical foundation. Usually foundations come with 1 ounce and this does retail for $44. So number 1, as far as packaging, I really like it. I think that the squeezy tube is great. If it's anything like the one from IT Cosmetics, you can get like every single last bit out of this because it does have the squeezy tube and the pump that I just love. Packaging like this, number 1, it's really easy to travel with. You don't have to worry about it breaking. It can just go into your bag and be worry-free. Number 2, I like that it has a pump and you're not trying to like dump it out onto anything. And 3, because you can get the majority of the product out of the packaging without wasting it when you run out. So I love the packaging. Like I said, it retails for $44 and it comes in 24 shades. I picked up the shade Driftwood, which online it says is a cool medium beige with neutral undertones. I have very neutral undertones and this definitely ran a little yellow on my skin, as you'll see in the demo. But when I was swatching them in Ulta, I just couldn't find a shade that really matched me. So that was a little bit more difficult. I do think that this is the one that matched me the best, so that's what I went with, and I think it ended up working out and it looks fine on my skin. I wanted to read the claims just so that we can see everything that this is going to claim. So online it says, BECCA Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation is a long-lasting, self-setting foundation that provides medium buildable coverage that feels weightless and looks natural. Imperfections and pores are instantly camouflaged thanks to the light as air blurring complex that keeps skin looking fresh, smooth, and shine-free. Infused with flexible, breathable pigments that adapt and adhere to become one with skin for custom second skin finish. Formulated with skin's health in mind, vitamin C boosts radiance, ginger soothes, and a skin-quenching blend of cold-pressed avocado and melon extract maintains skin's natural moisture levels for all-day comfortable wear. This does say that it is medium buildable coverage. I will say that I thought it was pretty full coverage. It covered up basically all of my acne scars in one pass. I did go over it a little bit more over just like this area, as you'll see in the demo. But other than that, I think that it covered almost everything immediately. So I would definitely say it is medium to full coverage, and it was buildable. I put another layer on top and it built very seamlessly, which I love that. I did still set it because I have normal to oily skin, and when I felt it afterwards, it still felt tacky, and I just don't like the feeling of putting foundation on and then trying to like blend bronzer out without setting it. I just think that it leaves my skin with a really patchy look. So I always set my foundation. So I wanted to do the same with this. Even the, where did it go? Even this one, this felt dry to the touch after I put it on, but I still set it anyway. That's just how I am. If you don't have to set your makeup, you may not have to set this one either. But again, I just wanted to give it a fair shot with how I normally do my makeup. So those are the details. Let's jump in to the actual demo of me applying it, and then I will be back when I'm done with all of my makeup. Alrighty guys, this is what my skin looks like with all of my makeup done. I think that it looks really, really good. I think all of the products sat on top of it really nicely. It does feel pretty lightweight. I don't feel cakey. It doesn't look cakey. I did build it up just in this area a little bit to cover my acne scars, and I think that was fine. It did run yellow on my skin, but I think that it looks okay. It's definitely not my favorite shade, but this was the shade that matched me the best when I went to go match in Ulta. So yeah, we will see how it goes throughout the day. Right now, it is 10:40. So I will update you guys throughout the day. We'll see how this goes, but so far, so good. Hello, it is 1:08. It's been a while. I think my makeup still looks pretty good. I have marks because I had glasses on. I wear glasses basically all day when I'm at home working, so I do have those marks, which are expected, but other than that, I feel like my makeup is looking pretty good. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is 3:30. So again, I've had glasses on all day, so you can see my glasses marks, but this is what my skin is looking like. I feel like I'm like a little bit shiny, but not too bad. And other than that, I think it still looks pretty good. It hasn't broken up anywhere. It doesn't look super patchy or dry or anything like that. So far, so good. I will check in with you guys again a little bit later. All right guys, it is 6:50 and I feel like my skin still looks pretty good. It is definitely slightly shiny, which I would expect after this long, and I feel like it's breaking up slightly on my chin. Not crazy, but just like it doesn't look as good as it did earlier. But other than that, I feel like it's staying pretty intact and looking pretty decent for how long I've had it on. I will check in on my final check-in in a little bit. All right, it is 7:30 and I am undecided about this. I am actually gonna get ready and go to the gym, so I figured I should do my final check-in before I do that. So it's been on my face for, what, 9 or 10 hours now. And in natural lighting, I think it looked better than it does now that I'm sitting down in front of all of these lights. So, which is fine because you live life in natural lighting, obviously, but I can definitely see redness peeking through right here. It's definitely broken up on my chin, and I don't really sit and like touch my face ever. So I think that is a little annoying, and it's a little bit greasier than, I don't know, some of the other formulas that I have tried recently. So I don't mind this foundation, but it's definitely not my favorite. I think also because the shade was a little yellow for me, that it wasn't my favorite to apply. I actually have been wearing this one, the It Cosmetics matte one that I just did a video on, I think like last week or whatever. I'll link that video up here. But I've been wearing this almost every day. And I think because I categorized them the same way, I was kind of comparing them in my head. And I liked the It Cosmetics one better than I liked the BECCA one. Just for a few reasons. I liked applying this better. I felt like it was more coverage right off the bat. It stayed matte for longer on my skin, and the color just matched me better because it was a neutral undertone and this was a yellow undertone. So although this one has less shades, there was a shade that matched me. So those are kind of the reasons why I've been enjoying this one more than this one. But I think if you had your shade in this and you had drier skin, you may really enjoy this. I don't like that it broke up because it's not like I've been wearing it for like 15 hours. And I also haven't really done anything crazy today. Like I have just literally been working from home. A lot of the check-ins were on my couch. I ran a couple errands, but that was it. I haven't worked out. I haven't been outside. I haven't been in the sun. I haven't been like cleaning and running around the house or like touching my face or like literally doing anything. I've been sitting in front of my computer almost all day. So that being said, it's not my favorite foundation. I don't think that this is one that I will be reaching for. I would much rather reach for this one from It Cosmetics. So that is my final thought. I think, yeah, like I said, if you have drier skin, you may really enjoy this, or if you have a skin tone that a shade matches you really well. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you in some way or another. Give it a thumbs up if it was, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.